Driver updates might sound boring, but it's very important for your Windows 11 system to be fast and stable, including your games. You've probably been updating your own graphic drivers wrongly, so let me explain in this video how to update your drivers correctly for any PC. Let's get started. The first one, make sure to open Device Manager, right click on the Windows icon and then click on Device Manager. You might see a yellow arrow icon, and if you see one of those, that means that device has to be updated. Might be an external network, card, or another device that needs updates. To update this, for example, press the Windows key and then type Windows Update. Make sure to click on Check for Updates, and it will take a few minutes to load, and then scroll down to Advanced Options and look for Optional Updates. Make sure to select every single one of these too. This will make sure that, for example, if you have an external network card, that it will also install those drivers so you can easily use it. Let's say you have an NVIDIA, Intel or AMD GPU, we have to update the drivers from the manufacturer's website. With NVIDIA, search up NVIDIA Drivers, go to the website, enter your own graphics card, and right here will give you a download link and you can update it through there. There's also an NVIDIA app which you can install and it will automatically update your drivers. Make sure to get the drivers for gaming or for creators. Gaming might be perfect for everyone. For AMD, make sure to type AMD Auto Update, go to their website and you might find a Windows update you can download. It's also available for Linux, and when you click that you can easily install the AMD Adrenalin software right there, and there you can easily update your drivers very easily. For Intel, make sure to type Intel Auto Update into Google, go to the manufacturer's website, get the Intel support, which means that you can automatically update your drivers, and when you've installed that through the application, make sure to update it there too. Make sure with every single graphical install that you start with a clean install. That means when you update your own graphics cards, make sure to get a clean install so any bugs are removed. That is very important. By the way, if you have still problems with your network card, it's still not working with the updates, what you gotta do is search up the network card on Google and then drivers or download, and will take you to the manufacturer's website. Right there you might be able to download those drivers very easily, and when you get the package, install it to your system, reboot the system, and everything should work. Also, if you have updated your graphics, Windows or anything like that, always restart your computer, and afterwards everything is very clean and will work. How to update your graphical drivers very easily, maintain them. The NVIDIA has an NVIDIA app, you gotta open it and then check for updates, and you can install it through there. Get the gamers one, which is the one you're probably going to need. On AMD, open the AMD Drivers software, check for updates and install the latest version there. I recommend that you don't pick optional to avoid any bugs or anything like that. With Intel, open the Intel support app, or they have an Intel app, and right there you can also check for updates and very easily update your own Intel Arc graphics card and everything like that. Make sure to update your graphical drivers every single 2 to 3 months. Audio drivers every 4 to 6 months. Network drivers only if you have any connectivity issues. And system drivers, for example Windows, should be automatically, but make sure to check it out every month. There might be some security updates that will secure your system a lot more. By the way, if you ever experience any issues in your game, I recommend that you clear the shader cache inside your GPU's app. For example, if the NVIDIA card, just go to the NVIDIA app and clear the shader cache there. And for AMD also, and also for Intel, it might improve the performance of your games and any lag, and make sure you fully update it and restart the system. This might solve a lot of problems. Those drivers are to make sure that your system will run tons better. Here is how to update drivers, and if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will directly help you step by step to make sure that your drivers are the latest and the best, the secure and the fastest. Please make sure to subscribe if this video was useful. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.